everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make another granny square. For this you need 3 yarn colors, and I use a 3.5mm hook and the scissors. I will start with the magic ring. This is how I will do it. This is my method. I will chain 3 and then 2 double crochet into the magic ring. The first chain of 3 will count like double crochet. Then chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the magic ring. Chain again 2 and 3 double crochet. For the last time, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into the magic ring. Close the magic ring, chain 2 and then do a slip stitch. This is the first round. For the round 2 I will do slip stitch in the next 2 chain and a slip stitch into the space. In this space, which is the corner, I will chain 3 and then 2 double crochet into the space. The first chain of 3 count like a double crochet, so you will have 3 double crochet into the space. Chain 1. And then in the next corner I will do a shell stitch. That means 3 double crochet, chain 2 and then 3 double crochet in the same space. That's a shell stitch. And then chain 1 and I will do in every corner a shell stitch. Chain 1 and a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten off, and the round 2 is done. for the round 3, change the color and start in the middle space. Chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Chain 1, and in the corner I will do the shell stitch. This is 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Chain 1, in the next space I will do 3 double crochet. In every space do 3 double crochet and in the corner a shell stitch. Chain 1 and slip stitch. To start the round 3, I will do a slip stitch in the next chain and a slip stitch in the space. You can do how many rounds you want. It's always in the space 3 double crochet and into the corner a shell stitch. This is how a square should look like. I did a lot of squares because I will make a dress. I will make a dress.